How much should you actually spend on a vape tank for flavor? It's a bit interesting because some people are thrilled with cheap options while others swear by pricey ones. But is higher cost really better? Let's uncover the truth about what gives you the best flavor.
Product number 1, Quit Smoking Inhaler Stick by Mellow, priced at $22.79. What caught my eye was its unique blend of natural ingredients. If you want a healthier alternative to traditional vaping, this is worth a serious look. This inhaler stick is designed to help you kick the nicotine habit without the harshness of traditional vape pens. Made with soothing mullein and thyme, it supports lung health while delivering a refreshing apple flavor. You get up to 600 puffs, which is great for managing cravings throughout the day. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've been struggling with nicotine addiction, this pen offers a natural way to curb your cravings, letting you take those satisfying puffs without the guilt. Now, some people complained about the flavor not being strong enough. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a robust flavor like traditional vape juices, this might not hit the mark. But for those wanting an herbal, lighter experience, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you're serious about quitting nicotine the natural way. Skip this one if you're after a traditional vape experience with intense flavors. At $22.79, it's a solid option for those on a wellness journey. Now, if the flavor intensity bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Vape Mod Carrying Bag. The Vape Mod Carrying Bag from Diswork, priced at $17.89. This caught my attention for its practicality. If you want to keep your vape accessories organized and accessible, this is worth a serious look. This case is made from strong nylon, ensuring that your vape hardware is protected wherever you go. With a handy carabiner, you can attach it to your belt or backpack easily. The Velcro closure means you can access your gear quickly, which is a big plus when you're on the move. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're out and about, having a reliable, organized way to carry your vape gear can save you time and hassle. Now, some users mention the lack of pockets for extra accessories being a drawback, but here's my take. If you're looking for a straightforward way to keep your essentials safe, this bag does its job well without unnecessary bulk. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, functional way to carry your vape gear. Skip this one if you have multiple devices and need extra storage. For $17.89, it provides good value for keeping your vape essentials secure. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for flavor enhancement.
Product number 3, 710 Pure Flavorless Liquidizer. The 710 Pure Flavorless Original Liquidizer by East Coast Terpenes, priced at $25.45. This one stood out to me because of its unique ability to transform your extracts. If you want to use your concentrates more effectively, this is worth a serious look. This liquidizer is made from 100% natural plant-based ingredients. It allows you to turn your concentrates into a flowing oil, making it easier to use in various devices. Just heat your extract, mix in the liquidizer, and you're set. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you enjoy using concentrates but find them difficult to work with, this product simplifies the process without compromising quality. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to get the right consistency. But honestly, once you find the sweet spot, it opens up a world of flavor possibilities that traditional vaping just can't match. This is perfect for you if you want to elevate your concentrate experience. Skip this one if you prefer ready-to-use e-liquids. At $25.45, it offers great value for those looking to explore the full potential of their extracts. Now, if the complexity of mixing bothered you, the next product might be right up your alley.
Product number 4, C Bonus Bundle, priced at $39.95. What really caught my eye was its innovative approach to quitting smoking. If you're looking for a flavorful, guilt-free alternative to vaping, this is worth a serious look. The C device uses flavored cores that are nicotine-free, allowing you to enjoy delicious flavors like spearmint ice and raspberry lemon without the addiction. Each core lasts for 2 to 3 days, giving you a refreshing way to manage cravings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're trying to quit smoking or vaping, this device provides a satisfying experience without any harmful substances. Now, some customers noted that the flavors might not be strong enough for hardcore vapers, but here's the deal. If you're looking for something light and refreshing to help with cravings, you're gonna love this. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, non-addictive way to tackle your cravings. Skip this one if you're looking for a hard-hitting vape experience. At $39.95, it's a solid investment for anyone committed to a healthier lifestyle. If the price was a concern, the last product on our list might be a better fit for your budget.
Product number 5, Flavored Air Device. We have the Flavored Air Device from Kiss Moi, priced at $25.99. I was drawn to this product because of its plant-based ingredients. If you're after a healthier alternative without the need for heat or electricity, this is worth a serious look. This device features 3 replaceable natural scent cores, offering flavors like Calm, Revive, and Focus. It's designed to give you a refreshing experience without harmful chemicals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're wary of traditional vaping and want something simpler and cleaner, this device could be exactly what you need. However, some users mention that the flavor variety can feel limited over time. But honestly, if you're looking for a straightforward way to enjoy pleasant aromas and manage cravings, this device has you covered. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss portable way to enjoy flavors. Skip this one if you're looking for a more intense vaping experience. At $25.99, it's an affordable option for those wanting a cleaner alternative.
So there you have it, 5 great options for enjoying flavor in your vaping experience. From the Quit Smoking Inhaler Sticks natural approach to the stylish C-Bonus bundle, each product brings something unique to the table. Just remember to consider what fits your lifestyle and preferences best. Happy vaping!